Hello everyone, good day. Now we are going to discuss about the metrics. Before configuring a metric definition, let's talk about the metric in a one word. By using this, we can measure and evaluate the effectiveness of the state changes or field changes on the table. Let's take an incident table. In incident table, if we take state, in state we will be having few choices from new to cancel. These changes will be captured in the metrics. Let's create and check it. Go to the instance and type metric. Under metrics, you can see definitions. Click on the definitions and let's create a definition. I'm going to create a new definition on the incident table for assignment group. This is automatically populated metric number. Let's give name. It should be a unique name to track groups on incident. Let me take us incident table. So these are the fields present on the incident table. You can track each and every field on the table by using this. I'm going to track assignment group. And here you can see type. You can directly have field value duration without any script, or you can use script calculation to calculate the duration. I'm going to use field value duration as of now. And let's give description as same and let's save the record. Based on the requirement, you can choose whatever you want to use as a type on the metric definition. I'm going to use field value duration. After saving this, you can see related list. Here you can see we have metrics. In that it's showing definition equal to track groups on incident. This is our metric definition. As of now, whatever changes we are done on the incident, those will not be captured. What are we doing after creation of particular metric definition? Only those values will be captured in the metrics. Let's go to the incident and let's open any one of the record and let's start changing the assignment group. Let's give it as tech support. Earlier it is hardware group. Now I'm changing it to tech support. So let's go to the metric definition and refresh the list. And here you can see we have taken 1015 ticket, and I have changed the value of the assignment group. Here we are taking assignment group, so that value it will be showed here. We are changed the assignment group to tech support, and the start date, whenever we change the assignment group, that is the start date. And let's end this. Let's change to some other group so that tech support group will end there. I'm changing it to billing support, and let's save this record. Let's refresh this page again, or let's refresh the related list, and here you go. I changed the assignment group to the billing support, and earlier we are used tech support, and that is ended here, and the end date or time which is populating here will be the start date of the next assignment group, which I am modifying it on the incident, that is billing support. Here you can see same. And after that, here you can see the calculation complete and the duration. Duration from this particular group, it stayed 44 seconds. From start to end, it will calculate the duration and it will populate it here. It stayed like 44 seconds. After calculation of duration, it will show the calculation complete field to, or it will set the field to true. And here you can see, because the end date is not at all not populated here, and duration is also not calculated, the calculation complete is showing false. Let's change it to some other group so that billing support will be ended and other application analyst group will starts running on the metric definition. In this way, you can calculate the duration of the fields on the incident table. For each and every field on the incident table, we can calculate the duration, how much time it's staying on that particular value. Let me show you other thing here. These are called the metric instances. These all records will be stored in the metric instance table. And let me show you the other record. Till now, all the tracking details are related to the incident, that is 0015. Let's do it on the other record so that it will start capturing on the same definition. Let's move it to hardware. Let's save this. Now 0014 should be captured on the definition. See, here you go. This is how it will do. 15, still we are keeping that on application analyst assignment group, so it's not ended. And 14, that is other incident we started. So in this way, all the incident records which are having field as an assignment group, all the time, if it's changing or if it is a starting value, all those instances will be tracked in the metric definitions. This is how we can use directly field value duration type. This is an easy method to track each and every field. If you want to script it, you can script by using script calculation and you can write the script in the script field. Thank you.